pretty steep. I don't want to hit these roots. Thank you, sorry.
Hey everybody, it's me, Arrogant Aaron. I'm here at South Hills Heritage Park in Glendora, California. I'm going to show you my favorite trails at this location, and I hope you enjoy the ride.
So okay, we're at the ridge line, and you either go right or left. So we're gonna go left for the first trail, the little single trail that I really like.
As you're climbing up the fire road, you want to look out to your right for the Bonnie Cove Trail.
There we go. Yeah, I can see a little better now. At night, when I come in the evening, it's a little hard to see the trail. They said it's pretty loose over here, so it's easy to lose traction. There we go. A little better. Gets pretty steep right here. There we go. Right into that. A little better riding today. I was here last night and I was sliding all over the place, so. Just a little controlled. Woo, got some air on that one. Little descent, pretty fun. Single track. It's always fun on single tracks. So when you get to the top of the ridge line, I usually just make a right, which takes you to this ridge line right here. I'm just gonna go straight right here. Hold on, sorry. Difficulties. Here we go. Had a little technical difficulty for a second. Kind of almost biffed it in that rain damage. So make a left turn to Toyon Trail, I believe. And then I make a right down here over the tree stump. So during the night, this is so many hikers. Make sure there's nobody here. Rider! That's the Centennial Heritage Park, South Hills, Bonnie Cove, all in one. It's a fun little spot. I mess with it. Thanks for riding with me.